Hello friends, doing a little bit of meal prepping for this next week. Wanted to share what I've got, just some healthy foods from just proteins, some good healthy carbs and vegetables. So up here on the top shelf, I've got some salmon with some herbs, a few spices. Here I've got some garbanzo beans, I've got some tomatoes, roasting some peppers and also carrots in the back. Down here on the second shelf, I've got some sweet potatoes with a little bit of spices and herbs. And then right here, I've got some chicken, grilled chicken with some rosemary. So that will be a healthy meal with either like some garbanzo beans or sweet potatoes, salads, things like that. So this is what is on tap for meals for this week. Additionally, we'll just have some yogurts, protein shakes, some good healthy salads, and also mix in some tuna for lunch.